Maki nagsimbo. Maki nagsimbo. Davao, Maki ng Davao.
Delikado naman yun eh.
Eh! Kaoy! Hi guys! Welcome back to the episode 2 of NQ Vlogs. Ay discuss natin is sa MakiCon last January 11, 2025. So last January 10, di ba, flight ko gabi, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Papunta na kami sa airport. Nasa Damosa na kami dapat. And it was raining. Tapos may ka-chat ako nun sa messenger. Nag-remind siya na ang ticket huwag mo kalimutan. It was pertaining to the ticket papunta sa Maki concert, not the plane ticket. So ako, pag open ko ng bag, timing yun yung wala. So crazy masyado kay parang bakit yun ang makalimutan mo, right? Thankfully may naiwan na tao sa bahay. Ipa-maxim ko habang papunta kami Damosa. Nakuha ko naman yung ticket. Nasa airport kami. Nasa parking lot na slay. So first time ko magsakay ng airplane more than a decade. It was a solo flight. Solo everything. Punta ako ng concert without anyone that I know of. And I arrived around 10 p.m. Now, ang nangyari is, nag-taxi na ako papunta sa Airbnb ko. Papunta sa Airbnb kasi, di ba, naka Google Maps na ako, parang wala kasing picture yun kung ano itsura ng entrance pa. Pagdating ko doon sa street na yun, madilim, nandun ako sa kabilang side, nagkakatok ako doon, like parang, hello po, nandito na po ako, then nagkakatok ako doon. And then sabi niya, i-press mo lang po yung bell dyan, sir. Tapos ako, kaya parang, saan ang bell dito? Like, ginatingnan ko ang pader, wala man ang bell. Tapos ang nangyari, katok ko na talaga, and then may naglabas na card. Tapos sabi ko, ito po ang place ko, 6th floor, 5th floor tayo. Tapos sabi niya, ay, dili mo ni Diri. Which is tama, kapag tingin ko sa building nila, parang hindi man yung mag-abot ng 6th floor. Pangunta na lang sila sa guard na Pikas. So, yun pala, yung kabila na guard, dapat ang gipunta ko na kasi nandoon yung aking Airbnb. So, yun na, I arrive around like 11 p.m. Nakasettle na ako. And then, sleeping time na. Hindi na ako nakaligo nun during that time kaya parang kapoy na masyado. Pagka tomorrow, I was craving bonchon, guys. Like, parang wala na kasing bonchon. Hindi, wala talagang bonchon dito sa Davao. Nagbalik ako sa airport, nag-taxi lang ako. Thankfully, like, it was around like 70 pesos lang, like 1 kilometer away lang din ng airport. Ang laban ko lang nun is Google Maps. Gihanap ko ang bonchon sa loob ng Cebu, Mactan Airport. And then, sabi ko, saan man itong bonchon, tapos, to cut the long story short, guys, wala ako nakakain ng bonchon. It's because nasa loob siya ng international flight. So, you can't enter sa international flight without your booking stuffs, which is very sad. So, wala ako nakakain. So, if nag-question kayo, bakit hindi na lang sa city, actually, wala na akong time because ang flight ko sa Sunday is 7 a.m. So basically, parang ako nag 1 day and a half sa Cebu. Yun na, balik ako doon sa Airbnb ko and then nagbihis na ako. So ang Airbnb ko, guys, is like may ka-share ako na 6 people in one room. So naka-capsule kami niyan, like parang dalawa, ganyan. Then sa taas ako. Ang mahirap nun kasi when I was wearing my concert outfit, grabe, karami kasing need suotin, like the polo, the pants, and like maraming anik-anik, the pins. So mahirap siya if you're like kneeling while wearing it because hindi mo siya ma-wear doon sa labas kasi mayroon nga mga tao so you can't wear that one. So thankfully na-iras naman. Ang pinaka-challenge nun, guys, was me doing the necktie kasi hindi siya automatic necktie na ganon. Mano-mano siya. So hindi ko makuha ang TikTok, like ginaganyan ko na ang TikTok, like parang ano ito, hindi ko makuha. So I have a problem with that. After that one, kaya nagsettle na ako sa presentable one, nag-alis na ako with all the anik-aniks, nagatunog-tunog na pababa sa elevator, and like maraming tao nakakita. So travel time, yun na, Maki concert na. During the Maki concert, ito na ang pinaka-fun. Kasi ang seat ko, guys, is nasa pinaka-front ako and nasa middle. So, nandito ang katabi ko. Ang plano ko nun kaya, okay, i-friend ko talaga ang aking katabi. Kaya syempre, sino man ang mag-picture sa akin, sino ang, basta everything. But pagdating ng katabi ko, she was very nonchalant. So, maiha ako mag-approach nun. Now, here comes the Maki concert. So, hopefully, may energy ako to edit ng mga ganyan ko lang ang video. So, pagka Maki concert, guys, may portion doon si Maki na nag-compliment siya sa people ng outfits. And then, kita niya ako. And like parang, oy, ito din si Maki after niya
Ayan.
entertain ng
Ang
isang
ganda, oh.
maganda na outfit. Wala ako nag-expect. I
Yeah!
was kind of expecting na magkaway lang siya. Or hindi ko
Ito
din
din si
in-expect na
Maki.
matawag ka na, uy, si Maki. And guys, mind you,
Alam
yun
nyo?
yung highest form of compliment. Like, being called as like, nice yung outfit is one thing, but matawag ka ni Maki as Maki is like the highest form of compliment that na-receive ko. So, if i-compliment nyo ako, guys, please call me Maki. And I was aware, guys. Aware ako, guys, na outfit lang din yun. Like, not the face, no? Hindi naman din ako delusional. It's like, after nun, meet and greet, natapos na ang concert. Pagkakita namin, naglinya na kami, gina-try ko remember, guys, kaya hindi ako nag-rehearse. Naglinya kami, and then pag-akyat namin, ang tawag agad ni Maki sa akin, kay, uy, si Maki. And bakit, guys? Similar, identical kasi ang aming outfit from his last set and my outfit. So like parang nagpunta ako sa merch booth after ng meet and greet. So nag-usap-usap ako dun sa merchant na parang, "Wait, baka ano pabenta niyo diyan ganyan." Nagdating yung mga managers because you know them because naka-black sila and all and they were checking if my socks pa basa. And then after nun, kaya parang nakita ako ng dalawa. Sabi niya, "Uy, your outfit is very nice, ha? Your pen?" Sabi ko, "Opo, ito po, Mean Girls po, ito na pen," ganyan, yada. Sabi niya, "Okay, picturean kita, isan ko kay Maki." Ganyan. O, di ba, bongga masyado, guys. Like, parang, yun ang pinaka-highest form of compliment. Like, going to the concert was more enjoyable because of that one. Because I wasn't really expecting na yun yung compliment mismo. Promise. And, actually, to be honest, 1 month ko din yung giplano na outfit. So bottom line, Maki is really a talented singer, underrated vocalist. Like if mag-go kayo ng concert niya, top tier vocals. Yun ang number 1 ko. And then he knows how to make the crowd laugh as well. And like parang he knows how to connect as well. And the stage presence is there. And you can say na he's really passionate in doing his crafts. So yun siya aking Maki concert, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If taga-watch kayo, I love you guys. This is just a dump. Like parang, you know, whatever happens in the future, at least, meron ako ma-watch. But like, baka makalimutan ko ang mga happenings. So,